Hi friends, welcome to Reshu House. I am back with another product review video and we are going to see a product that is very cost effective and very efficient in terms of working. And the product that we are going to see now is Bajaj Vacu's electric oven. Guys, please don't mistake Bajaj for Bajaj Vacu. Both are two different entities. And now the product that we are going to review is of Bajaj Vacu. It has its own website called bajajvacu.com. The worth of the product is 1900 rupees, but I have got this product purchased from Amazon website where I got the product for just 1700 rupees. Guys, this product is a very rare one on the websites. Please make sure that you get the product when it is available. So just go through the website even and then so that you could know the information when it is available. If you are looking at the screen recording, you could know that I purchased it on 7th September and after 4 days it became unavailable. I received all the items mentioned in the site and also this product has got very good ratings. The link to the product will be provided in the description box below. This Bajaj Vacu electric oven is provided with a guarantee card for a period of 1 year. Now let's do the unboxing. In order to reach the product safe to the customer, they have packed the electric oven very neatly and perfectly into a cardboard box with all the thermocol sheets covered from all the sides. The reason for so many thermocol sheets inside the box is that they have prepared a one size cardboard box for both the 13-inch and the 15-inch electric oven. Guys, this is the most awaited product that has been Google searched by my mother since many months, and yes, finally we got the product. My mom, she used to prepare very nice cakes using this oven during my childhood, and this video makes me very nostalgic. Don't just think that this product is used to bake only cakes. It could also be used to make pizzas, some tandoor recipes, and also some other recipes that are mentioned in the manual book. So removing each cover, we uncovered the lid of the box, and this small cardboard box has all the other tools needed for baking using this oven. Even this small cardboard box is made sure to be filled with the thermocol sheets so that it prevents the wear and tear during the transport. We generally see the bubble wrapping packaging, but this thermocol sheet packaging is something different and really a good idea. So these are the tools that are given in that small cardboard box. We had an aluminium glass over here, guys. If you have an idea how this aluminium glass is to be used, please mention it through comments, because I never used this and even my mother doesn't know what it is. And here comes the main thing, manual book. It had instructions how to use the oven, and all these instructions are given both in English and Hindi. Talking about the pan, we can easily cook a 1 kg cake in it. It is light in weight but has a good quality. This oven has got a detachable wire too, and except the wire, all the other tools are of aluminium. The aluminium stand that the Bajaj Vacu gave is of 1/4 inch height, and this helps in equal heat distribution all over the oven. The outer packaging of the box mentioned that this product is a fragile one. So the reason is because of the glass that they have given here. And this glass is to be fixed over the upper lid. The Bajaj Vacu has also given a caution note pasted on the glass. Let's see what it is. This caution is about the 6 holes punched on the lid. So 4 holes are used to install this glass and 2 other holes are to be left open, because when the oven gets too much heated and the heat is to be escaped. This sticker cautioning is also a good idea because this point is not given in the manual, and unless and until the company mentions it, any customer could not know it. Now this is how the body of the oven looks like. It has got 3 stands below it and a temperature setting knob with a plug point and also a light indicator. This oven has also got 2 handles to its body and also 2 handles for the lid. Guys, if you have children at your home or any pets, please be careful while operating the oven, because the body of the oven is totally steel and it would be very hot and no one should touch it while operating. I would also like to present you another special feature of this oven. This oven works just like an iron box. The iron box gets heated and stops when the heat is maximum. The same way, this oven also gets heated to the maximum temperature that we set, and once it reaches the temperature, it stops. Again, when the temperature is less, it starts working. Meanwhile, when the light is off and when the oven is not working, the heat of the steel body helps the food inside the oven cook properly. So there is no tension that the food doesn't cook when the oven is off. This special feature saves us our electricity bill. Now let's see how to install this glass over the lid. Any person who has a screwdriver and a wrench or a cutting plier can easily install this glass over the lid. First, remove the given bolts. Guys, there is also another caution that is mentioned in the manual book, and I would like to share that with you people. The body of the oven is fixed with the temperature setting knob and also some little wirings. So we should not move the body of the oven here and there or shake it, because that would cause the wirings move from their places. The main reason to share this point with you people is I have seen many reviews under this product on the Amazon website where people had smoke issues when they switched on their oven. So please be sure that the oven is placed at one place and it is not moved here and there regularly. Coming back to the point of installation, after we remove the bolts and place the glass, again place the bolts in their place and tighten the screw properly. Make sure the little triangular plates catch hold of the glass properly and then tighten the screw. I forgot to mention about the skewer. They have given a thin aluminium skewer that we can use to make some tandoor recipes. We shall see better reviews of this product while using it to make some good recipes. Now I shall give you a quick glance where each tool is to be placed and how each tool is to be used. So first place the aluminium stand they have given and place the cake tin over it and close it with the lid. The arrow beside the temperature knob indicates the temperature that we set. Now plug in the wire, set the temperature and switch on the oven. That's it. It's so easy to use and easy to handle this oven. Another main instruction is that you should not wash the lower body of the oven. Take a wet cloth and neatly wipe it when it is cooled. This would be a good go-to option for people those who don't bake much. And for people those who bake all the time, this oven is going to be their friend definitely.
If you like the video,
share this with your friends. Hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.